Hi, are you looking for real good quality merchandise? Maybe your own shirts, customized? Looking for something in a larger size? Maybe not something so tiny? I got just the thing for you. Stick around. It's coming up right now. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about something different for an unbox review. Are you looking for your own customized merchandise? Maybe something to advertise your channel? Are you a big person like me? Not exactly the small, tiny people? I came across this website, Customized Girl, right here. You can customize your own t-shirts, women's, men's, kids. And when you go to men's, let's go for a top, just for an example. You can start with a blank shirt, pick any different one you want. If you sign up, you get up to 20% off. Free shipping on orders over $70. But just to give you an idea what I'm talking about, let's say you go with just a basic t-shirt for 15 bucks. Look at that. You can go all the way to 6XL. Nice. Very nice. In a moment, I'll have my model my shirt for you. Couldn't pass this up. I don't know about you, but I like big baggy t-shirts. Sometimes when I'm just kind of relaxing. And what better way to advertise your YouTube channel than with a customized shirt? I'm just saying. I know you've seen other people out there with them. Here's your chance. And they have many different, they have templates you can go by. You can start with a template right here. Look at that. Make your own jersey jacket, stuffed bears, whatever you're into. I couldn't beat the prices, and the nicest part about them is they go up to big sizes. I'm not talking little bitty people, I'm talking 6XL. Definitely a good buy. Customized Girl, I will make sure and leave their link down in the video description below. I'm not affiliated with these guys in any way. I don't get paid for this. I just ran across this deal, and being a large person myself, I thought, hey, how many other people out there would love to have their own custom merch in a bigger size to advertise their channel until they get growing and get big. So yeah, if this video helps you out, make sure to share it with your friends. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, hit that red subscribe button. It really helps me grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to follow me on social media, right over here. Those are my social media links. That way you'll know the next time I post a live video or upload new videos, because I will post on Twitter first. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, for more great budget gaming tech, click right up here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like the content, smash right there for me and subscribe so you don't miss any great videos coming. I'll meet you there.